what makes us India's favorite online shopping portal. Let's go behind the scenes to find out.
Hi, I'm Soumya Gupta. I'm the owner of an apparel brand named 10 on 10 that retails online. So, a 10 on 10 story goes back about 5 years ago when I completed my commercial pilot's license. I was a very young person back then. I was just about 18. I was 18 and a half years old. And the recession had just set into the country where aviation was not booming as it was supposed to. I was lost for 1 year. I had nowhere to go, no jobs in the market, and parents were pressurizing to then figure out where I wanted to be in life. So with all that pressure, the call center was my only way out. I joined the call center, and that was again not a very happy feeling to be up all night and sleep all day. And with all that education and the money my parents put in, I don't think I wanted to be there. So I then got my thinking cap on, and people loved the clothes I wore on a regular basis, and it just dawned upon me, why not just sell clothes? So of course setting up a shop was not an immediate option because I did not have the money to do that, and neither did my parents. So I gathered up about 30 garments and I started selling them from the garage where my parents parked their car. So the primary customers I had were the friends who really liked what I wore, and they started coming home and started buying those clothes. But then with time, the friends remained the same, but I needed to venture out further. And that's when online was my only way out. So we've been selling online all these years, and today we have made the move into an office from that garage. The business on Flipkart has only defined growth, and it takes two hands to clap, and Flipkart has supported us in a lot of ways to define growth for us. Firstly, they provide us with great logistics services. The person comes to our doorstep, collects the item from us and ensures perfect delivery to the customer. Apart from that, they have been involving us in a lot of promotional activities where opportunity is equal. You don't have to be a really big brand to get there. So with equal opportunity and the fair trade system, I think Flipkart was my only way out to move from the garage into an office and cater not just to a city but to an entire country. The ongoing process with Flipkart where we started with 30 styles and today we are doing about more than 3,000 styles. I feel that sky is the limit. Flipkart has been the highest revenue generator for us. About 70% of our sales are coming only from Flipkart. Keeping this in mind, we have launched an exclusive catalog and it's available only on Flipkart, and the sales have been great with this entire planning. We plan to take our brand from a 3 crore brand to a 120 crore brand. That's the vision where we see ourselves. With this opportunity to sell on Flipkart, I think I can get my brand 10 on 10 to be known by every Indian.
Hi, I'm Krishna from Anytime Retail.
Hi, I'm Vamsi.
So while I was working in UK as a software analyst, there were e-commerce and other advanced platforms already available in the Western countries. So this was something way back in 2005. So we just got an idea that why can't we do something similar in India? And then we came back to India and then started exploring the options. So in 2008, Vamsi and myself, both of us thought, so let's do something similar to what we have in Western countries. And then we started conceptualizing the idea. And then we started working on the idea, and in 2010 we thought the time is ripe, the recession is over, let's go live with the e-commerce platform. And then what happened was things were pretty naive at that point of time, and the environment was not set properly. So anybody who heard of e-commerce, they were like, so I don't have trust, so I don't know e-commerce, I don't know how online things work. So that was the platform of e-commerce in 2010, and then today the entire thing changed. So everybody trusts Flipkart, and it has built a good enough confidence in the Indian market, and it is an easy sell today. So the business has grown from the house all the way till an office space, and then till one of the best sellers in the big billion day deal. So today we have we process more than 1,000 orders per day, all thanks to Flipkart. There is enough trust, enough platform all built in the system. All we have to worry today is, so what is your product, what is your customer demand, just cater to that. Rest is taken care by Flipkart. 2012 we got introduced to Flipkart through one of our close circles, and from there everything changed. So our volumes actually increased by 10x. So today you have the trust which is built by Flipkart in the front end, and then a logistics company like the EKL, and then you have the operations team. So all these three put together makes a complete successful e-commerce. So till date we have seen a single, we haven't seen a single loss or theft case in the shipments, which is really good. And apart from that, the dashboards, the analytics, all the data we get from Flipkart backend team, it is really wonderful. The reason is, it's the analytics that drives the business these days. So Flipkart provides excellent analytics services. The flash sale of Moto E, which has seen huge success, has really changed our entire way of business. So we have seen huge response from Flipkart customers for the accessories for Moto E. It has been so successful that we have been really happy to give our employees a Moto E, in fact, to each of the employees after our successful sale of the screen guards. All through my IT life, every time Diwali comes, there would be a small packet which comes in with four different types of fruits and nuts, and I felt like, okay, can it be larger than this? Today our dream is really been successful with Flipkart. Today we give mobile phones, not the fruits and nuts. I have a 5-year-old kid, and we have never been to any holiday since his birth. The reason was the business was so complicated, and we had a lot of competition, and there was no bigger platform and processes in place. Luckily, Flipkart, with all its processes, they have simplified our day-to-day life. There are enough processes in place wherein you have a predictable model and it works as expected. So every 3 months we take out our kid on a holiday and we have a family outing, and the lifestyle really changed. Success is one thing and celebrating success is another thing.
Hi, I'm Dheeraj.
Hi, this is Sonal here.
Hi, I'm Aditya.
Hi, I'm Khushbu.
Campus Sutra is all about giving an opportunity to the youth of this country to express themselves. We identified that one of the major needs that people in college, outside college have is to kind of express their identity. Through Campus Sutra, we give them a medium which helps them express what they are, what they feel about life, at what phase of life they are in. So we are basically a medium for expressing identity.
So we can tell them the way, actually Campus Sutra started.
It started the Goa trip actually.
We got the tickets really cheap.
we thought what the hell, let's go and have a good time there. We were sitting discussing.
So we were idle, working. I don't think so. It takes a lot of time because you have a lot of time for trips. So
Yeah, actually, the thing with us was, very bored of our job. Always we wanted to be, an entrepreneur. The stumbling block was that combined salary of the four of us was 1 crore. So it was a big decision to kind of leave that and start something on our own. But then we said, okay, if we don't do it now, we'll never be able to do it. Yeah, I think, the best thing about Flipkart was it helped us understand our segment, the people that we wanted to reach. As we all know, most of the youngsters are there online buying. So, the last 1 year, the biggest support that Flipkart has given us is to help us understand our customer better, what they want, what price points they're looking at, what is the design that works for them, how we as a brand can kind of connect with them.
We get about 7 to 8 lakh impressions in a week, which is a platform to market yourself at very very low cost.
And without having a site, just through Flipkart, we have been able to understand how the back end of e-commerce companies work. There are times initially when people from Flipkart, when executives of Flipkart used to come and spend hours in our office, handhold us literally through each and every process.
teach us everything. I think this was the only marketplace which gave us formal training. They came here, they trained us on each and every aspect of how to get orders, how to ship it out, how to package them. And Flipkart had done this. They had provided us for packaging material initially free of cost. Being listed on Flipkart adds a lot of weight, and people see you on Flipkart, and then they come and tell you, and you feel really good about it. That people nowadays know your brand.
From the west in Jamnagar to east in Tawang and top in Kashmir to
Yes,
Kanyakumari.
I think Flipkart is a
So
unified force across the country.
that's the wow factor,
See, this is what we love about e-commerce. Sitting in Bangalore, we never thought we could cater so many people across India.
In offline, at the max, you can have 3 or 4 collections. It's because of the whole online channel and what kind of Flipkart offers us. We have been able to churn our design every month. We have close to 12,000 SKUs in our portfolio, which is one of the highest that any brand, whether national or international, has in the country.
So with the technology aspect also, you have to innovate. Like Flipkart does. We have started from 200 orders to 4,000 orders per day.
Channel of Flipkart works beautifully. It teaches us a lot as far as how to make your company more lean, better operated.
At the same time, because there are a lot of designs that we've exclusively launched with Flipkart, so that again helps us to get a lot of good publicity for our brand as well. In the starting phase, Flipkart helped us a lot in terms of our garments. What are the flaws that we have. At the same time, work on the sizing so that customers are more satisfied with the products that we provide them.
We are as old as Flipkart. I think we started when Flipkart started.
I think for me the biggest help or the biggest inspiration from Flipkart has been that it has helped us think big. When we started with 100 orders a day, we never thought that we'll be at 4,000, which we are today. And now we are looking at growing into a 100 crore company in the next 2 years, which is very very possible the way our numbers are growing, and then becoming a 1,000 crore company in the next 4-5 years. So 100% fulfillment in the last 6 months. And our account managers say that I think we are the only brand, if not one of the few brands, which have managed to do that.
ऑनलाइन के बिजनेस में आने के पहले हम ऑफलाइन में हम लोग साड़ियों का होलसेल में काम कर रहे थे, प्लस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी हमारा काम था, और वही बिजनेस हम आज आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। इसमें हमारे होलसेल भी काम है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का भी काम है, और सब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट से हम माल मंगाते हैं और इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। आप मऊ, बनारस, दिल्ली और जहाँ भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स हिंदुस्तान में है, वहाँ सब जगह से जो हमको रिक्वायरमेंट होती वो आइटम हम मंगाते हैं और हम कस्टमर को सप्लाई करते हैं। हमको इस ऑनलाइन के बिजनेस की इतनी कोई जानकारी नहीं थी। जब हम फ्लिपकार्ट से जुड़े तो फ्लिपकार्ट ने हमको डायरेक्ट एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया कस्टमर से मिलने का, टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में, क्वालिटी के बारे में, चॉइस के बारे में, जो इस बिज़नेस के लिए ज़रूरी चीज़ें थी वो सब हमको फ्लिपकार्ट से जानकारी मिली, और फ्लिपकार्ट के सहयोग से ही हम आज तक आगे बढ़ पाए।
I am in the second generation of brand Pavechas. So my thoughts and my vision was something very different from my fathers and my forefathers. We started off in 2012 with online shopping and online business. To convince our whole family for this online was a very big thing for me. And today when you see our store, it's like from an offline store to an online store. So we started off in a garage, year and a half back, and today we stand at a 3000 square feet store, and this is all due to unconditional support from Flipkart. When we started our journey with Flipkart 1.5 years back, we were never used to all this online uploading of catalogs or the order processing and the technology support. Flipkart from day one, it has started us in helping with the catalog creation, providing us with all the latest inputs about how to go about the business, giving us a large geographic area to supply to our customers, and we came to know who our customers are, because till now we were only contented with the southern region. Today we have a pan-India presence, and that is all due to the support of Flipkart.
मैं अपना ट्रेडिशनल धंधा कर रहा था, मैं उसमें बहुत खुश था कि जो मुझे चाहिए उतना मुझे धंधा मिल रहा था। जब मेरी बेटी की पढ़ाई पूरी हुई और इसने आके मुझे समझाया कि डैडी, आगे का जो बिजनेस है, जो आगे की जो जनरेशन है, उनकी सोच है टोटल ऑनलाइन, और डैडी आप मेरे को ऑनलाइन में मेरे को करना है बिजनेस, और डैडी आप मेरे को उसकी परमिशन दो। जब ये मुझे बार बार उसके बारे में, ऑनलाइन के बारे में बता रहा था कि भाई क्या है, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, तो मैंने भी देखा कि जब बच्चा कह रहा था ज़रूर आगे का जो भविष्य है और यंग जनरेशन के लिए आगे जो बिजनेस जिसमें जुड़ना है वो ऑनलाइन है। और मैंने फिर देखा कि इसकी इच्छा है और इसको लग रहा कि सही है, तो मैंने इसको परमिशन दिया कि तो ऑनलाइन का बिजनेस कर और आगे बढ़। तो इसने उसको अच्छी तरह संभाला। आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरे बेटे ने इस धंधे को इस ऊंचाई तक लेके गया।
I am JP Agarwal. I am proprietor of JP Enterprises. We are into retail business. We are authorized sellers for Titan, Fastrack and Sonata watches. We started Flipkart around 9 months back. We were transformed from a retail outlet at Malad in Mumbai to a global seller selling products all over the country. Flipkart logistic partners helped us in getting the products shipped across the country in a very hassle-free manner. As the business grew, we realized that our payments are receiving on time. We started receiving the payments in a much quicker manner. With the latest revision in the Flipkart return policy, it's been very simple for us now. The company Flipkart takes care of all the decisions regarding the returns, and they just handle it directly. I'm glad to say that we moved on to Flipkart Advantage program some time back. The Flipkart Advantage program helps us in storing our products directly at the Flipkart Bhiwandi office in Mumbai. We save a lot of time and a lot of manpower requirement, and also a lot of storage requirement at our end. Flipkart Advantage gives a lot of benefit to the customer. The first being the 24 hours guaranteed delivery across any location across the country. We have been following a few techniques or few policies very religiously throughout our tenure with Flipkart. First being that we ensure that all our products are dispatched correctly within 24 hours or within the SLA time frame. This ensures us that we have a very minimal returns from the customer. Second, we ensure that we do the proper packaging using the correct materials like bubble wrap or the Flipkart boxes with plastic covers, so that the customer, when they receive the product, it's in a perfect condition. That really makes the customer happy. And then few little things like we have made our own thank you card, which we insert in every package which we dispatch at our end. We must have started off around 100 SKUs when we initially joined hands with Flipkart. We moved on to 2000 as of now, 2000 SKUs as of now, and very soon we plan to grow up to 3000 SKUs. Our business have grown up to 300% over the past 9 months. We started with around 300 to 400 watches per month before we actually joined Flipkart. As soon as we joined Flipkart, over a period of around 6 months, we touched around 1000 pieces a month. And after we moved on to Flipkart Advantage, we are now at around 1500 pieces a month. I like to say a special thanks to the Flipkart account managers. They have really helped us in identifying our potential. They have helped us in identifying the right products, the right brands, and even the right verticals to target on Flipkart. We are also launching our own brand InDesign, a private label, very soon on Flipkart. We have already got a go-ahead from the Flipkart managers for doing so. Thank you.
We've been into computer peripherals and consumer electronics from quite some time, and we've recently gone live online only on Flipkart. It's been over 6 months now. We deal with products majorly catering to personal use. You can say something like flash drives and hard drives, memory cards, and in consumer electronics we also deal with lifestyle products, life care products, and personal care products. You can say trimmers and hair dryers and stuff like that. Flipkart provided us a lot of help initially as a starter, and a lot of help even during the whole course of action, and they've been providing us with several offers and several cases where they have told us that there are certain times where there are offers online, so they always prompt us at the right time to opt in for the offers, and they provide us with good packaging solutions so that the products don't get damaged, and the return rates are less. So overall we can help the consumers better by providing a better service with the better packaging and the help from the team. Our business is really grown, you can say drastically, because of the online sales, and Flipkart has played a big role in that. Our sales, you can say, has doubled, and we do twice as much as sales now, both in online and retail. You can see the exact percentage of growth would be around 35% of my total sales comes from Flipkart as of today, and we're looking at making it much more and taking it to another level.
मेरे कुर्ला की शॉप है, रिटेल शॉप है, काफ़ी पुरानी है, तो वहाँ पे फिर मैं वहाँ पे मेरे फादर के साथ में बैठने लगा। तो ऐसे ही फिर एक बार मेरे जिया जी आए शॉप पे, बोले अभी क्या कर रहा है, तो मैंने कहा कुछ भी नहीं। तो उन्होंने बोला चलो अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ दिल्ली विज़िट पे, ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट्स के साथ में मेरा काम चल रहा है स्टील्स का, तो तेरा अभी इमिटेशन का या ज्वेलरी का, प्रेशियस का या नॉन प्रेशियस किसी का भी कुछ सेट होता रहेगा तो अपन देखेंगे। तो मैं फ्लिपकार्ट में गया, जब उनसे मीटिंग की तो लगा कि बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस हो सकता है ये। फिर मैंने सोचा इमिटेशन ज्वेलरी इज़ द परफेक्ट बिजनेस आई कैन डू इन दिस ई कॉमर्स बिजनेस। जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, फ्लिपकार्ट ने भी उसी टाइम कैटेगरी लॉन्च की थी ज्वेलरी की, तो ज्वेलरी की कैटेगरी के अंदर जब मैंने वहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट लाइव कर दिए, तो वहाँ पे फिर मैंने एक साथ में कुछ 500 प्रोडक्ट्स फ्लिपकार्ट के लिए बनाए थे और फ्लिपकार्ट पे लाइव किए, तो जिसका मुझे बहुत एग्रेसिवली उन्होंने प्रमोट किया, और उसी प्रमोशन के अंदर काफ़ी सारे ऑर्डर्स आने लग गए, जहाँ मुझे हफ्ते का एक आता था, फिर दिन का एक आने लगा। आज की तारीख में मुझे 1500 to 1800 पर डे ऑर्डर आ रहे। ज्वेलरी के लिए फिर मैं वेबसाइट देख रहा था, वहाँ मुझे फ्लिपकार्ट दिखा कि फ्लिपकार्ट हैव जस्ट लॉन्च ज्वेलरी इन द कैटेगरी। तो फिर मैंने ज्वेलरी भी फ्लिपकार्ट को अप्रोच किया, और उन्होंने भी अच्छे से और जल्दी से मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स उन्होंने सिलेक्ट करके उसको उनके वेबसाइट पे लाइव कर दिया, और फ्लिपकार्ट के साथ में अच्छा बिजनेस स्टार्ट हो गया। फ्लिपकार्ट ने मुझे शूट के लिए फ़ोटोशूट जो सबसे पहले एकदम प्रोफेशनली होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं पहले जब स्टार्ट किया था तो नॉर्मली फ़ोटोशूट करता था एकदम, तो फ्लिपकार्ट ने बताया कि इस तरीके से आपको फ़ोटोशूट करनी चाहिए जो कस्टमर को एकदम क्लियर इमेज प्रोडक्ट की दिखनी चाहिए। तो उनके ही बंदे हैं, फ्लिपकार्ट ने मुझे दिया था थर्ड पार्टी, तो थर्ड पार्टी से मैंने फ़ोटो शूट कराया। फ्लिपकार्ट ने हमको पैकिंग मटेरियल की गाइडलाइंस दी हुई है कि प्रोडक्ट अगर आप पैक करते हो तो उसको बबल रैप में पैक करना चाहिए। फिर फ्लिपकार्ट का ही हम लोग आउटर बॉक्स रहता है, प्रोडक्ट अंदर रहता है, उसके ऊपर आउटर बॉक्स रहता है, वो फ्लिपकार्ट ही हमको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, और वही पैकिंग मटेरियल के अंदर उसको भेजते हैं हम, ताकि कस्टमर को कोई भी डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिले। फ्लिपकार्ट के प्रोडक्ट लाइन के ऊपर मैंने सिर्फ एक्सक्लूसिव ओनली फॉर फ्लिपकार्ट ऐसे करके मैंने उनके लिए एक ब्रांड लॉन्च किया था, त्रुषि, जो सिर्फ फ्लिपकार्ट के लिए ही हम लोग उसको बेचते हैं, और फ्लिपकार्ट ने ही सजेस्ट किया था कि इसकी प्राइसिंग ये होनी चाहिए, इसका प्रोडक्ट ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने उनके गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से वो ब्रांड भी मैंने लॉन्च किया, और उसमें भी बहुत अच्छा सेल है। फ्लिपकार्ट का पैनल जो है हम लोग बहुत ही सिंपल और सिस्टमेटिक है। प्राइसिंग पैनल एकदम अच्छा है, इन्वेंट्री पैनल एकदम अच्छा है। फ्लिपकार्ट का बिज़नेस काफ़ी ट्रांसपेरेंट है, जो भी हम लोग ऑर्डर्स शिप करते हैं जो कस्टमर को एक बार डिलीवर हो जाता है, मान लो आज ऑर्डर आया कस्टमर का, 2 दिन बाद कस्टमर को डिलीवर हो जाता है, तो उसके 7 दिन के अंदर वो उसका जो भी अमाउंट रहता है उसी पीरियड के साइकिल में, तो उसी पीरियड में समझो 1000 ऑर्डर के 1,000 ऑर्डर शिप हुए वो 7 दिन के साइकिल के अंदर, तो वो साइकिल का जो भी अमाउंट रहता है हमारे बैंक के अंदर NEFT फ्लिपकार्ट वाले उसको कर देते हैं। अभी आज की तारीख में जितना भी मेरे ऑर्डर्स है उसमें 50% पार्ट फ्लिपकार्ट का है।